I'm Dr. Richard Drake with Dr. Drake's Sleep Solutions. I'm a dentist and we make custom dental devices to treat snoring and sleep apnea. And you're probably at this video because you're wondering, why do we snore? What goes on when we snore? And when you think about it, your upper airway is your nose and your mouth to about your Adam's apple. And air, when your diaphragm moves, air has to come in to your lungs. And the smaller that opening is, the faster the air moves. And what happens with the soft tissue, your tongue and the back of your throat, your uvula can be even a little bit higher as well. As that air moves through, it makes the tissue vibrate. So you get that snoring sound like that. And what we do here is make a dental device that moves your jaw forward a little bit like that. And when we do that, we get the tongue and the palate off the back of the throat, so you snore less and sleep better.